Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 156. If we start with this top row, we're just missing a 3. For this box, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 3. For this row now, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 5, 6. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 2. For this box, we're missing 4 and 7, and I don't see any help. So 4, 7, 4, 7. For this column, we're missing a 3. For this column, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 5. For this box now, we're missing 1, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 8, 8 here, so 1, 9, and no help here, 1, 8, 9. For this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 7, no help here, 3, 4, 7, same here, 3, 4, 7. For this column, we're missing 4, 6, and 7. We've got 4 and 6 here, so this is our 7. 6 here, so 4, 6. For this column, we're missing 2, 5, 7, and 9. We've got 5, 7, and 9 here, so this is our 2. 9 covering here and 9 covering here, so our 9 is here. But I don't see any other help. So 5, 7, 5, 7. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, 7, and 8. We've got 4 and 7 here, so 1, 8, 4 and 8 here, so 1, 7, 8 here, 1, 4, 7. If we look at this column, the only place the 8 can be is here. And with that 8, we can get rid of this 8. Now the only place the 8 can be in this box is here. For this row now, we're missing 1. Oh wait, this 9 makes this our 1, 9. So now for this row, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 3. For this row, we're missing 1 and 7, and I don't see any help, so 1, 7. For this box, we're only missing a 1. For this row now, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 4, 6. For this column now, we're missing 4, 7, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 7, no help here, 4, 7, 8. But if we look at that column now, the only place the 8 can be is here. For this column, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got 1 and 5 here, so this is our 7. That makes this our 1, 5. That 1 makes this our 7, 4, 7. This 7 makes this our 4, 1. 4 and 7 here makes this our 3. 5 makes this our 7, 5. This 7 and this 3 makes this our 4, 7. For this box now, we're missing 3, 4, and 9. We've got 3 and 9 here, so this is our 4. 3 here, so 9 and 3. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.